Okay, alright, let's check out. Okay.
It's pretty dull.
I don't know, dude. That's not. I mean, like feel mine. Mine doesn't really feel that much sharper.
Yeah, they're about the same actually, I'd say. Mine might actually be a little bit sharper. Yeah. Mine's got a little bit of nicking going on up here, but it's not bad.
No. We'll bring a sharpener. It's just a Coleman stove. By the way, welcome to the show, everybody. We're going on a cool wilderness adventure. This is really awkward. Going on a cool wilderness adventure today, and yeah, we're gonna go fishing. Maybe cook up some stuff on this. We have not opened this yet.
As you can see.
As you can see. All right, let's bust into it. What we got going on here? Oh.
Maybe you don't need the box.
Yeah, I mean, if we can take it without the box, that would cut down on weight. God, my camera skills are sucking here, but all right, that's cool. Oh, we do have an issue though.
You don't have propane.
I couldn't find any propane.
Yeah, I figured as much.
Yep.
I don't even know if this takes normal propane tank or not.
I hope it does. All right, so we figured out that we accidentally bought a propane stove, not propane, a butane stove.
And we have no butane.
We don't have, I've never even heard of a butane stove, so we're gonna have to go to Walmart and get
It just says portable gas stove. That's some
America
misleading.
You're ruining this video. God, I'm gonna have to cut all that out now. It appears there's been an edit. We're going to Walmart to get some butane. Got him. Alright, well, we're finally on the road, and it took forever. That was a lot of packing. But anyway, I guess I don't think I've really explained what we're doing in this video. Basically, we're just gonna go out and post up. We're gonna go hopefully catch fish out of a river, but we got a big hike to get all the way out there. So it's gonna be interesting. Alright, we made it. It's looking pretty moist out there. We're going to be battling rain this entire time, so that's going to be cool. Yeah. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, well, we're out here hiking out to the spot. We brought way too much stuff with us, and we're paying the price for that now. And we probably aren't even a fifth of the way there yet. We have a couple miles to walk. So this is going to be fun. My shoulders hurt, Shane's shoulders hurt. But hey, we're out here doing it. Camera's getting wet. Well, we made it. This is a confluence where a big creek meets a river, the Trinity River actually. And we've been getting a lot of rain lately, so first of all, the bank is completely overgrown. As you can see, I tried to cut some of it with cut up some of it with my Bowie knife and cleared out a little space. But so we don't have a whole lot of bank access because, I mean, as you can see, it's just completely very, very overgrown. And also the water clarity is garbage, but we just hiked all the way out here, so we're definitely fishing. Whether we're fishing in diarrhea water or not, we're doing it. So first, Shane's gonna see if he can get some sunfish. I'm gonna see if I can get some sunfish so we can chop them up and use them for bait. Shane's going after big gar. I'm just gonna try and get a little catfish that we can cook up and have some lunch. Also, it's time to break out the stove because I am starving. We got some bacon, some sausages, some ham, some granola bars. So I'm about to bust out the stove and get it going. Oh, there's a big one out there. Oh my gosh. That is an angry gar. Wow, this bacon's almost steamed already. Yeah.
I mean, this is about the doneness I like my bacon. I don't know about you.
Yeah, that looks good. That looks good to me. All right. Well, gosh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right now we only have one line in the water. But we do have bacon.
Bacon's always good. Bacon and muddy boots.
We have food that doesn't have sand in it.
This is my classic red drum rig, but not with the 2 ways, obviously. That's extra.
Right. All right, I'm gonna go into the woods to go get some Y sticks to set these bad boys up on.
Alright.
Shane's got. Here, come over here and check this out. This is pretty dandy. Got some pretty nice rod holders. This one's actually like one that's like made to be a rod holder, and then this one's just a piece of PVC pipe. Did you cut this out?
I found that.
Oh, he found. Okay, cool. Yeah, never know what you'll find, huh? So,
Little jetty goodies.
yeah, little jetty treasures.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, I got a camp saw. I'm gonna go cut out some more. We only had the 2 rod holders, so we need more rod holders. How about this guy? It's probably really dark back in here. How about that? That could work. Oh. Okay, got one. Hey Shane, what do you think of this? I think it's bratwurst time. They're not really bratwurst. Well, they're kind of like, yeah. Dr. Pepper and bratwurst. Dr. Pepper and cheesy bratwurst.
Cheesy brats.
That sounds good to me. Mmm.
Hell, man. You gotta think of more.
Alright, I'm gonna start packing my stuff up. Well, this has been a pretty neat adventure.
Yeah. Can't say we didn't try.
Yeah. I still had fun.
Yeah.
Cooking up food out in the wilderness.
Yeah, that's still good. Still worth the trip.
Oh! Dude! Dude! I have a fish in my hand. Get the camera. Dude. Oh my god. Dude, get the net. Yeah.
I got the net. I got the net. Aww. Well, hooked into a gar.
Oh my god.
Now you're hooked into yourself.
You gotta be kidding me. Oh my god, I'm shaking, dude. Are you kidding me, dude?
God damn it. So close.
So, dude, I had it right at the bank.
You tried to pull it onto the bank and it came off?
Yeah.
That's why.
I didn't realize it was that close to the bank. I never got it on the bank, though. Well, we gotta come back.
You tried to pull it onto the bank.
That's... We were literally, I was about to put my rod up. I was about to get it out of the holder. All of a sudden I noticed it dancing around, moving around.
Bunch of slack in the line.
Bunch of slack in the line, knocked a bunch of slack in the line. Had a big gar on. Man, I can't believe that. I'm still like out of breath a little bit because I got so excited about that fish. Well, now I have to come back and get that exact fish, that fish in particular. I'm gonna come back and catch that one. That one particular gar.
Look what happened when I came running over there.
Hey, what should that gar's name be?
Larry.
That's my dad's name. Pick one that's not my dad's name.
Okay.
All right, Larry. No, it's too weird. Pick up something and pick something else.
Shelby.
Oh.
Jeez.
Oh. Oh.
That was massive.
That was Shelby right there.
That was
Shelby? That's a girl's name, unless it's Shelby the Swamp Man.
That's what I'm saying.
Shelby the Swamp. All right, Shelby the Swamp Man. I'm coming for you.
Shelby the Swamp Gar.
Shelby the Swamp Gar. It's funny, this area actually does kind of turn into a swamp at some times of the year whenever all this floods. All right, Shelby the Swamp Gar, I'm coming for you. Okay, so that's all your polos. Where's my light? Oh, there's my light pole.
Yeah.
All right, well, made it back to the car. That was a pretty lengthy hike. Got back just in time. It's getting pretty dark. But anyway, that was a pretty cool wilderness adventure. We both had fun, even though there weren't any fish landed. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next adventure.